So we'll be discussing question number 15. And in question number 15 it is given if x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Now it is given x plus 1 by x. Question number 15. X plus 1 by x equal to 4. We have to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. X square plus 1 by x square. And then we have to find the value of x4 plus 1 by x4. This value also we have to find. Then we have to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Then we have to find the value of x minus 1 by x. Okay, what is given? X plus 1 by x is given. So first thing is that we will be squaring both the sides. As we are doing that a plus b is given, then square both the sides. So here also x plus 1 by x is given, squaring both the sides. X plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4 square. So from here we are getting x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x equal to 4 square is 60. So from here we are getting x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to 16. So from here x square plus x plus 1 by x square we are getting equal to 16 minus 2, which is coming out to be 14. So this is the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Now we have to find the value of x4 plus 1 by x4. x4 plus 1 by x4. x4 plus 1 by x4. How we can get? If we'll be squaring this x square plus 1 by x square whole square, then we'll be getting power of a square whole square means a to power 4. So we'll be squaring this as we got x square plus 1 by x square. So x square plus 1 by x square whole square is equal to 14 square. So from here again this is of the form a plus b whole square. So x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square plus 2, whenever the numbers are in reciprocal, x square and 1 by x square is reciprocal of each other. So we'll be getting either plus 2 or when it is sign is minus, so we'll be getting minus 2. So from here we'll be getting plus 2 because x square and 1 by x square will be getting cancelled. And from here this is 196. So from here we are getting x4 plus 1 by x4. We are getting equal to 196 minus 2, which is coming out to be 194. So this is question bit 2. Now x cube plus 1 by x cube. First of all, we'll be finding x minus 1 by x. Then it will be easy for us to find because x square plus 1 by x square is given. And this is common in both the formula. And yesterday and the video before I explained that x minus x 1 by x we have to find. Means we'll be finding first the square of this x minus 1 by x square. So from here x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. I once again repeating that here it is minus and is given. Don't write here minus 1 by x square. We have to write a square plus b square and then minus 2. As we know that x and 1 by x will be getting cancelled. So from here we are knowing the value of x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 14. This is 14 and this value we know is minus 2. So from here we can get x minus 1 by x will be equal to root of 12. So two values are possible as it is root. So two values are possible. This will be equal to 2 root 3 plus minus 2 root 3 as it is in root. So two values are possible. Now question number 3. X cube plus 1 by x cube. We can solve in two ways. Either we can find the x plus 1 by x whole cube. We can apply the formula or a cube plus b cube formula. X cube plus 1 by x cube. We know the value of this formula is a plus b. A is x and b is 1 by x, and then x square a square plus b square is 1 by x square, and minus ab, not 2ab, minus ab means x into 1 by x will be getting cancelled and it will become 1. So x plus 1 by x value we know is 4. And this value x square plus 1 by x square value we know is, we are knowing x square plus 1 by x square value is 14. And this value is minus 1. So 14 minus 1 is 13, and we are getting 14 into 13 is, we are getting equal to 52. So this is question number 15. Now we'll be discussing question number 17. Okay, question number 17. It is given x minus 1 by x is equal to root 5. In question number 17 it is given x minus 1 by x is equal to root 5. We have to find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. This is one of the value. Then x plus 1 by x, and then x cube plus 1 by x cube. So these three values we have to find. X minus 1 by x is given. Now we'll be squaring x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to root 5 whole square. Squaring both sides. First step I told that a minus b or a plus b is given, you have to square both the sides. X minus 1 by x. So here it will be a square plus b square is 1 by x square. Not you have to write here minus sign. Minus 1 by x square, it will not be minus x square. And minus 2, I am directly writing minus 2 because x into 1 by x will be getting cancelled. Whenever you are having two numbers in reciprocal form, x and x will be getting cancelled. So from here we are getting 5. X square plus 1 by x square, we are getting equal to 5 plus 2 is equal to, we are getting equal to 7. So this is question number bit 1, 17 bit 1. Now we'll be solving 17 bit 2, x plus 1 by x. In the previous question it was asked x minus 1 by x. So we have squared. Now again we can square x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. I am directly writing because 2 into 1, x into 1 by x will become 1. So 2 into x into 1 by x, which is coming out to be 1, and 2. 2 into 1 is 2. So x square plus 1 by x square value we know is 7, and from here we are getting 2. So x plus 1 by x will be equal to square is equal to 9. X plus 1 by x equal to root of 9, which is coming out to plus minus of 3. So this is x plus 1 by x is equal to plus minus of 3. Now we have to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. So this value we can find again. X cube plus 1 by x cube is basically, we can write in the form of x plus 1 by x. I am doing by another method, is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3ab. 3 into x into 1 by x. X plus 1 by x. So from here we can write x plus 1 by x value is, x plus 1 by x we have got is equal to 3 plus minus 3. So from here 3 cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube, and from here we are getting 3 into 1 by 3 into 3. From here we are getting 3. Its value is 3. 3 cube is 27, and this is 3 into 3 is 9. 27 minus 9 x cube plus 1 by x cube. So from here you are getting 18. So I am directly writing here plus minus 18 because you are having two values of x plus 1 by x. It is plus 3 also and it is minus 3 also. So we can write here minus plus minus 18. So this is question number 17. Now, question number 21, it is said if a plus 2b is equal to 5, then we have to prove that a cube plus 8b cube plus 30ab is equal to 125. It is given 21. It is given a plus 2b equal to 5. We have to prove a cube plus 8b cube plus 30ab equal to 125. So what is given to us here is a plus 2b is equal to 5. Now whatever thing is given, from there only we will be analyzing and we will be calculating. We will be taking steps from there only. And what we have to find? A cube plus 8b cube. So here we are seeing that cube power is in the term of 3. So we have to do cube both the side. So a plus 2b whole cube is equal to 5 cube. So a cube plus 2b cube, as we know the formula is a cube plus 2ab cube plus 3ab. 3 into a into b is 2b. Here it is 2b, and in the bracket we can write a plus 2b, a plus b, 3ab, a plus b. This is the formula, and 5 cube. So from here a cube plus 8b cube plus 3 into a, 3 into the 6, 6ab, and this value is a plus 2b is equal to 5, is equal to 125. So from here we are getting a cube plus 8b cube plus 30ab is equal to 125. So this is question number 21. Okay, one more question we'll be discussing, that is question number 25. In question number 25, it is given x square plus 1 by 25 x square. So we'll be discussing question number 25. Okay. In question number 25, it is given x square plus 1 by 25 x square is equal to 8 3 by 5. And we have to find the value of x 1 by 5x. So in 25 number it is given x square plus 1 by 25 x square is equal to 8 3 by 5. Now we have to find the value of x plus 5 by x. So you are able to see here that here it is 25 and here it is x by 5x. Actually it is given x by 5x, x plus 1 by 5x it is given. So we have to find this value. So from here we are getting that x square plus 1 by 25 x square means a square plus b square term. We can say that is given to us. So from here we will be squaring. If we have to find a plus b, means we have to square x plus 1 by 5x whole square is equal to 8 5s are 40, 40, and this is 43 by 5. This is 43 by 5. We can write here x square. Okay, this is, we can write it x square plus 1 by 5x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by 5x whole square, a square plus b square. Then 2ab. 2ab means 2 into x into 1 by 5x. So we are getting from here x and x is getting cancelled. So from here we have to find this value x plus 1 by 5x whole square. We are knowing x square plus 1 by 5x whole square, which is coming out to be x square plus 1 by 25 x square only. And this value we know is 8 5s are 40, and this is 43 by 5. And this value we know is 2 by 5. So from here we are getting 5s LCM 43 plus 2, which is coming out to 45. 45 by 5 is coming out to be 9. So we will be taking square root of this x by 1 by 5x will be equal to root of 9, which is coming out to be plus minus of 3. So this is question number 25. Now we'll be moving to question number 28. In question number 28, it is given. In question number 28, it is given that if a is equal to 1 by a minus 5. So if a is given equal to 1 by a minus 5, 28 number, a is equal to 1 by a minus 5. We have to find some values, which is given. First part is a minus 1 by a, then second part is a plus 1 by a, and third part is a square minus 1 by a square. So first part is a minus 1 by a, then second part is a plus 1 by a, and then third part is a square minus 1 by a square. These are the three parts. Now this is given. How will we analyzing? We can cross multiply. A into a minus 5 is equal to 1. This is a square minus 5a equal to 1. This we are getting. Now dividing both side by a. We are dividing both side by a. So what will be getting? A square minus 5a 1 by a, and here also dividing by a. So it will be a square by a, and we can write it as 5a by a is equal to 1 by a. So from here a and a is getting cancelled. A minus a and a is getting cancelled. A minus 1 by a. I am taking this to left side, and this minus 5 to right side. So we are getting one value. A minus 1 by a is equal to 5. So this is first value. Now we have to find the value of a plus 1 by a. A plus 1 by a. How we can find the value of a plus 1 by a? Now in the question, if we are knowing the value of a minus 1 by a, now we can find the value of a minus 1 by a whole square. Means a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. I am writing minus 2 because a and 1 by a will be getting cancelled. A minus 1 by a we know is 5 square, and from here this plus 2 minus 2 will be coming, so it will become plus 2. A square plus 1 by a square. 27 is equal to a square plus 1 by a square. Why I have found this value? Why I have tried to find this value? Because in the formula of a minus 1 by a whole square and in the formula of a plus 1 by a whole square, a square plus 1 by a square term is common. Only thing is changing is minus 2 in the case of minus 1 by a and plus 2 in the case of a plus 1 by a. So we'll be writing here a plus 1 by a whole square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 into a into 1 by a. So we are getting a square plus 1 by a square value we know is 27 and plus 2 a plus 1 by a whole square. A plus 1 by a is equal to root of 29, which is equal to plus minus of 29. We are getting a plus 1 by a is equal to plus minus of root 29. Now a square minus 1 by a square. A square minus 1 by a square is a minus b. A square minus b square. We can write it as a plus b into a minus b. So we know the value of, here we can write it as a plus 1 by a, and here we can write a minus 1 by a. In the case of b, b is 1 by a. So a plus a we know is root of 29, and a minus 1 by a we know is 5. So we are getting the value plus minus of 5 root 29. So this is up to question number 8. Now after this we'll be discussing in the next class. So the related question and the remaining leftover you have to solve in the class or in the group. You can ask your doubts. So thank you.